Dashboards and KPIs bring your entire shop into focus. Real-time insight, clear priorities, and the information you need to make decisions with confidence. On the floor, dashboards organize work by priority, customer, or department. Late jobs stand out instantly, helping teams stay ahead. Use notes to communicate real-time details to team members and easily see work in progress. For purchasing, dashboards surface late POs, upcoming requirements and outside services, adjust quantities, due dates, or cost as needed. Everything buyers need to keep production moving. Sales order dashboards track sales orders from entry to shipment. See and take action on what's open, what's due today, and what's at risk of becoming late. Estimate to actual dashboards reveal cost variances, performance trends, and where jobs are running over or underperforming. Shipping dashboards show what's ready, what's late, and what needs immediate attention. Once you have the information you need, the dashboards flow straight into pick lists and shipment details, allowing you to generate required shipping documents. With the financial dashboards, stay on top of AR and AP. You can see highlighted overdue accounts by due dates, payment trends, and who to follow up with next. Sales order history dashboards turn past orders into insight. Instantly review trends by customer, product, or region to understand what's driving demand and where your business is growing. Dashboards and KPIs give every team clear, instant insight. One system, one truth, and the clarity to run your shop with confidence.